Hello traders, welcome to the brand new video of the FX Mentor, and in this video I'm going to tell you that how you can get the benefit from the buy sell trading view indicator that is still hidden on YouTube, and most of the guys do not know about this indicator. So please make sure that you watch the full video so that you can get the benefit from the indicators. So you can use the strategy on the 5-minute time frame, because I have checked the strategy on the 5-minute time frames and the results are really amazing and the signals are very good. So now let's move towards the strategy. So we basically need the two indicators. That the first indicator is QQE MT4 glass modified by just uncle, and it has 1251 downloads till now. So you can put this indicator in your favorites, and I'm going to attach this indicator, and you can see the indicator is attached on my chart, and you can see into the below area it has already covered my space, right? Okay, now we will need the second indicator that is very useful, and that is called extreme trend, and the author name is Jyoti Prasad, and it has 770 downloads at the moment. Okay, so I have attached this one as well, and now you have to change a little bit things into its settings because we want to modify this indicator as per our interest. So first of all, you can see that we have some blue colors and yellow colors here. So we basically don't want these colors, so we are going towards the settings, and then we have to change color 1 and color 2 from this blue to green, and the second one from yellow to red. Okay, so green for buy and red for sell, and as well we also have to change the second color as well from the color 1 green. Okay, already done, and the color 2, that is the red color, right? Okay, now I'm going to press OK, and let's see how the strategy looks right now. So one more thing, guys, my candles are into the Heikin-Ashi because I am not using the simple candles. Heikin-Ashi candles are very good to understand, and that's what I have already highlighted you many times. Okay, so we have changed the first setting of the first indicator, that is extreme trend. Now the second indicator is QQMT4. We also need to change some settings inside it. So I'm going to the settings of the QQMT4. Okay guys, here we have to keep the level, first level, and then we have to remove all other levels from our background, and this is the setup that is ready for the trading at the moment. However guys, I have checked this indicator on the different time frames, but I am again repeating that the high accuracy is coming on the 5-minute time frame if you trade with the trend, and if you trade against the trend, both of the signals are good, but always you know that the trading with the trend is already very useful. Now I'm going to tell you about the entry rules, that what could be the best entry rules for this indicators. So before I go with the entry rules, I'm just going to introduce the broker. That is the Exness broker that I am using from 2015. That is honest, regulated, and highly regulated, and it has fast deposit and the withdrawal methods. The link of the Exness broker is given in the description of this video below, and you can join this broker if you are having the problems with your broker. Okay, now let's move ahead towards the entry rules. So first of all, you can see we are getting the two type of signals from the X trend indicator, the blue one and the red one. That's very simple, straight, that the blue means that this is the buy signal and the red means this is the sell signal. However, we need to take care of one thing. So for example, here we have received a sell signal, so we will not take any kind of immediate trade. So you will not execute any trade unless the QQE MT4 glass modified indicator by just uncle does not change its color into the red color. So this is your entry, because if you are taking entry before it, you can have a potential loss on the particular trade. So it will be more good that you should wait for the QQE to turn into red so that you can take your entry. So this is all about the gold. So I'm not limited to gold, so I'm going to take you towards the other the pairs. So let's take an example. For example, USD CHF 5-minute. Here we have a buy signal. You can see the QQ indicator also turned green. That was a very good bullish entry. And you guys, you do not have to trade this indicator into the ranging market. So for example, look at this. This is the Euro USD 5-minute chart. If I go to here and if I check the horizontal line, and if I put two lines here, then you will see one thing, that the market is just moving in between a particular level. It's either not going into the upward side, and it is either not going into the downward side. So basically this is the ranging pattern. So guys, into the ranging pattern, no indicator works very good. So always you choose the trending markets that are good for trading. Like for example, USD JPY 5-minute. If you look at here, this is the 5-minute picture. You can see here we have a buy signal, and here QQE indicator turned into green, and you can see a long bullish signal went, and right now we have a sell signal. Sorry, the previous second large signal was sell, and the QQE was turned into red. But please make sure, because if we look at the overall trend, then you can see what is the trend. If I make the arrow here from here to here, this is the upward trend. So I always advise in my lessons that whenever you are into the upward trend, please ignore the sell trades. However, this was a good scalping chance, but personally I do not like to take such chances. Okay, now let's talk about the recent signal. The recent signal is the blue signal, buy signal. But if you look at here, the QQ indicator doesn't turn into the green color. It means that you have to wait here, and you need to wait for a proper entry. Once it turns into green, then guys, the entry is open. You can set up the stop loss. For example, if it turns green here, you can set up the stop loss below this blue rectangle. And for example, this was the sell signal. You can set up the stop loss above this rectangle. And for example, here we can set up a stop loss below this blue rectangle. So this is how you can set up your stop losses, and the take profit is always a reasonable profit, and whatever you are getting from the trade depending on your lot size. So guys, overall, if you look at the results by this indicators, this has really amazed me, because you can see there on the USD card, buy signal strongly it went up, and QQE MT4 was also turned into green, so it was a perfect signal. So guys, what do you think about this indicator? What are your thoughts? Have you tried this indicator on your live or demo account? So please must share your experience into the comment section. And at last, I will say again that if you are having problems with your broker, if your broker is charging extra commission in the form of spreads from you, then guys, Exness is the top broker that I am using from 2015. You can use this broker without any problem, because it has fast withdrawals and deposit methods. So guys, if you like this video, please press the like button, subscribe the FX Mentor YouTube channel, and share this video with everyone. Thank you for watching this video.